Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I would like to show you the process of staking Tron TRX Tron in detail. So a lot of people has asked me about staking and what does it mean and all of that. So I recommend doing it with Tron and doing it directly into the blockchain using your wallet, which could be Tron Link is the one that I'm using at the moment. The process is very simple. Tron is a proof of stake coin, okay? And then I come here to the blockchain and I stake it directly. The process of creating the blocks and adding the blocks to the blockchain is done with some nodes which are not miners but are validator nodes, and they are called super representative in the Tron network. Okay, so what you are doing is when you are staking is taking all your coins and you are freezing them into the blockchain, and then you are assigning your TRX in the way of votes and voting into the super representative, so that then they can get elected as the ones that are going to be producing the blocks and adding the blocks to the blockchain. Okay, so that's proof of a stake. The stake is all the money and all the coins that are on those nodes which are validating. If they do something wrong with the blockchain, then they are going to get penalized and they are going to lose part of those coins and that money. Okay, so that's the risk that we all have to assume when we freeze our coins and we assign them as votes into the super representatives. So now, how all of this process, how does it work and how does it look? So the first thing is that you need to have your coins on a wallet. I have my coins on Tron Link, okay? And then I link or connect my wallet with this website, which is tronscan.io. It allows me to get the detail of my account. This is my account, okay? And as you can see, I already have some TRX, like 109 already staked, and they have produced these on-withdrawn rewards that we can see here, okay? Now I have like around 500, I think 536 that I want to stake, okay? So what I would do is first go to governance and then votes, and from here I need to go into voting. I need to click this green button here, and I need to click obtain, because I need to move my 500 TRX into and convert them into voting power, Tron voting power. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell the system that I wanna get Tron power and bandwidth. Okay, actually I'm gonna do this in let's say in two times. So the first time I'm gonna go for Tron power and bandwidth. Okay, I'm gonna say that I want to take 500 into this one. So I click stake. I need to sign and confirm in the wallet, and I have 500 TRX stake now, and I got 500 votes. Okay, now I'm gonna click obtain again, and this time I'm gonna go for Tron power and energy. So bandwidth is what you need to pay for all the transactions. Okay, so it's a very good idea to get power and bandwidth, and energy is what you would use if you are executing smart contracts in this network. Okay, so I'm gonna go again, click max, and I'm gonna stake 36 TRX, and I'm gonna get Tron power, which is the voting, and energy, which is to if in the future I want to run some smart contracts. So I'm gonna go stake again. I'm gonna sign this transaction again. Okay, and at this point I have 536 available votes. Okay, what I would do is then come here where it says your vote, and I need to distribute my votes on these super representatives. All of these are super representatives. Okay, this is the ranking in which they are selected in the next voting round, so that then they can be elected as super representative, which are validating the blocks. Now, how do they get elected? They get elected by all the votes that they receive, and this is TRX, this is coin, this is money that is frozen on each of them. Okay, so you can put all of them in just one, or you can distribute. So what I do is I select those that are in the ranking on the top and that have a 100% voting sharing radio, and that they have the maximum APR possible. So this one is a very good one to go. Also, you want to choose one that doesn't have so many votes. Okay, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna place probably 100 here, maybe more, maybe just 200 here. Then we see this one is also very good because it's 100%, and then you get a 6.59. We can go and put a total of 200 here, for example. Then we are remaining 211. Okay, and this can be split. We can do 111 here, and then the rest that we have, we can probably set it into this one. We can do let's say 100 here. Okay, then once we have all the distribution done, we have a total of 645 votes that we distributed in this way. We click voting again. Okay, and then we need to sign again the transaction. We click OK, and now we have all the Trons, all the TRX staked under these super representatives. Okay, so we can, for example, click again in our wallet. Okay, we can see that we have 645 Tron in total stake here. It is producing the rewards. So for example, tomorrow when this one moves to 1.5 or something like that, I can click withdraw, and I can repeat the same process. Okay, the bandwidth, which is what is used to sign all the transactions, is going to be replenished tomorrow. Okay, they give you every day they give you the bandwidth, so that's why all the transactions in the Tron network are practically free, unless you need to do a lot of transactions and then you need to get more bandwidth. But apart from that, if you don't use too much, it's free. I'm available in Telegram if you have any questions in relation to staking. If you have any other doubt, I'm happy to help. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and see you on the next video.